Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are over at Bonita National Golf and Country Club here in Bonita Springs, and we're previewing our newest listing here at 28750 Cavan Court. This is part of the estate line of homes that you're going to find here at Bonita National. This particular floor plan is called the Bougainvillea floor plan. It is 2,800 square foot. You're going to have 3 bedrooms plus den, 2-car garage. Beautiful extended lanai space out there. Let's walk inside and take a look at this beautiful home. These owners have really made this home look like a model, almost a replica of the model that they had here at Bonita National. So to the left here, you've got your formal dining space. Notice all the tray ceilings have additional trim. Nice paint job on this home as well. Tons of woodworking. Picture framing going on here. Beautiful home here. Travertine tile floors down. And nice open great room space. But first, let's look over to our right here. On the right is your formal den and or bedroom, depending on how you want to use the space. This home does have a closet, so you can use it as a bedroom. Something else to consider on this home, you've got some nice window treatments as well as plantation shutters on many of the windows. All right, now we're going to come into the main area here. You've got your great room space here, and that is just off your kitchen here. So your kitchen, you have a nice eat-in kitchen area here overlooking your views and your pool. Beautiful open kitchen space, all looking over your great room design here. Now just off the kitchen here, we're going to head back, and this is where you're going to find the guest bedrooms, your laundry and garage access. So right over here, you've got your laundry room with plenty of additional storage space. Straight ahead, that's your garage entry. And then you have your guest bedrooms here. Nice thing about these guest bedrooms, they tie right into the guest bath. So this one here can be an ensuite type of scenario if you just shut both doors there. But you've got a full shower enclosed with the glass, which is really nice. And then your other guest bedroom here has sliders going out to your pool area, your outdoor kitchen, and it's attached to your pool bath. So both guest bedrooms have the option for an ensuite bath type setup. Now cutting across the main room, we're going to check out the master here. Separated all on its own away from the rest. You've got 2 huge closets. And then you've got this big, huge space here, and also access right into your pool area. And last but not least here, we've got the master bath. Really spacious master bath with your dual sinks. You've got your soaking tub. You've got a seated vanity area. Nice walk-in style shower there. And then this is where you have your private commode room right there. Last but not least in this home is the exterior spacing. And the exterior spacing here is phenomenal. As we come outside here, you've got a nice area to sit under truss. You've got the wood feature on the ceiling, and this overlooks your pool and spa area. You've got this long under truss lanai over here, outdoor kitchen, even more room for a 6-top table out here for some alfresco dining, and all of this overlooking the golf course here at Bonita National. You're going to have a western facing exposure here. That means you're going to get beautiful sunsets. And then right off to the corner here, that is the finishing hole of hole number 2 there. You get the greens right there. All right, folks. So if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property Group, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.